Winning a lots of Grammy award and the queen of Billboard, Taylor Swift is not only famous in USA but also all over the world. She was born in small city of America when she launching his first song. Till now she become the music sensation all over the world. Almost 500 nomination. She get 340 award which include Grammy awards, Billboard award and American Music Award in her account. Guys, if you are fan of Taylor Swift, then you know her very well. But do you know that she is a good singer as well as a good poet? At this time, everyone here is song, but only few know that her personal life and his struggle. So guys, let's start the journey of story from the starting. So guys, story starts on 13 December 1982 in the Pennsylvania Reading where Tyler Allison Swift was born. Her father name is Scott Kingsley Swift and who is a financial advisor, and his mother is Andrea Swift and she is a homemaker, and she also have a younger brother whose name is Austin Swift. Tyler started his school life from Alvinia Montessori School. There, her whole family shifted to Pennsylvania. Then she changed her school to Whimsing Area High School. Tyler is good singer, but she is also great poet. When she was 9 years old, she won National Poetry Contest winner, and then she joined theaters. There she enjoyed a lot. So she performed a young youth theater academy, and slowly she learned acting and singing from New York. In weekend, she performed local festivals and events. Then she slowly became a good singer. Tyler go to Nashville Record Company with her mom, but Nashville rejected his all recording song, and then she became very sad on his first attempt. So she learned guitar at the age of 12 years old, and at that time she write her first song, Lucky You. From her poetry experience, she became a good writer and good singer. In 2003, Swift worked with the music manager Dan, and for the RCA Records, she creates a lots of original songs, and Tyler music career start from at the age of 13 years old. Then her rejected company Nashville approached her to work for them, and they make a contract, and with her father she moved to Merrill Lynch. She completed her graduation from Aaron Academy. There she worked with lots of famous singer and songwriter. In 2005, she contacted to Big Machine Records, and there she worked for own studio album. And on 24 October 2006, she launched his first album Taylor Swift. In this album, it consists 11 songs, in which 3 songs is written by Tyler. This album is peaked at number 5 on the Billboard 2000, and the record is spent 157 weeks on the chart. And in 2016, almost 7.75 million copies were sold when she was only 16 years old. This album is so beautiful, if anyone can hear, they want to hear again. She get Artist of the Year and American Music Award and lots of Grammy Award in a small age. And on November 11, 2008, she launched her second album Fearless Introduced. In this album, Love Story, White Horse, You Belong With Me, 15 and Fearless become more popular, and in 2009 this album becomes most selling album in his country and all over the world. In 2009, she get MTV Video Music Award for Best Female Video, and 2010 she get lots of Grammy Award like Album of Year, Best Country Album, Best Country Song, Best Female Country Vocal Performance. She liked theater and acting a lot, so she debuted on Valentine's Day, and she also hosts TV shows and events. And then she created a lots of albums like Speak Now, Dread, 1989 and Reputation, and all over his album become so famous all over the world. At the age of 28, she get almost 10 Grammy Awards. 19 American Music Awards, and this is a dream of lots of people where she go and create history. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel and comment down what I choose my next topic.